Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In this video, let us see a blower from Jakmister. This Jakmister blower has 600 watts motor which produces 15,000 RPM. It is a suction and blower combo kit, so you can blow the air also and you can use it as a vacuum cleaner also. So without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing. Let us open the plastic cover on the top of the box. And let us now open the box and see what is the content inside. Inside there is a plastic tube and then we have the blower itself. We also have a user manual and a warranty card. Let us see some close-up shots of the product. Here is a motor and it is 600 watts powerful motor. This side is the suction point where it sucks the air for the blowing. Below the handle there is a switch where we can power on and power off the motor. This portion is the blower. We can use this blower as a mini vacuum cleaner. For that we will have to fix the given tube in the side of the suction part, and there is a small pouch which is included in the box. We'll have to fix that pouch into the blower part. Here is my old CPU where I use this system for normal household work. It is having full of dust. So let us clean this dust using this Jakmister blower. After cleaning, it is now good as new without any dust. Let us now see the demo of vacuuming through this device. For demo, I will be placing few thermocoals and let me switch on the motor. So when I switch on the motor, the thermocoals also get sucked in. Oops, it also took my logo with it. I will have to see if the logo is there in the pouch. So let me drop the contents inside. Finally. Friends, hope you have seen the unboxing video of Jakmister blower. We have also shown you how it works and what are the features it has. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel Uday's Review and also follow us on the social media platform. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.